What is going on, guys? I've got something super special for you today on this channel. We're going to be talking about a really cool NFT project, but only after we have talked about an insane project that you can just go and tap your card and it will instantly change your assets and your crypto into fiat. Before we get into this, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Do it so we can hang out, have fun, and hopefully make a little bit of money. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and let's roll the video. Here it is, guys, Nexo.io. I'm super excited. I'm going to give you an overview of exactly what's going on here. So we have the individuals at the top, which will show you where to buy the crypto, exchange the crypto, the card that you can get, which we'll talk about, the booster, the borrow funds, the earn interest. You can join their loyalty program up at the top. You can refer and grab 50,000 in rewards. Now the institutions is up there, the resources, so you can actually come on and have a look. The products, the dispatch, why is it Nexo, how to Nexo, and Nexo Brainer. Go through so many articles, how to fund your account, identity verification, everything you need. They got the security, so why do we want to trust them? Their real-time audits by Armenia, which is massive, huge in the industry. We've got their licenses, the insurances, we've got BitGo, Ledger, Backit at the bottom. And a bit about the company about, I'm going to give you a good overview. If you still don't understand what I'm talking about, all the links are here. All the links will be down below. Only use trusted links always. If you already have an account, let me know in the comments, but click sign in and get yourself signed into their website. If not, get started and you can get it on the app, okay? You get it on Apple or you can get it on Google, on Android. So let's dive right in. What's the fundamentals, okay? Its first model safeguards your assets and helps you grow your wealth in a sustainable and secure way. Why do we want to trust them? Well, they've already got 775 million on the insurance of custodial assets by BitGo, Ledger, and Backit, like we've talked about. Okay, the safeguard your assets. So it's a strong business model that ensures the safety of your funds and the robustness of our products. If you keep scrolling down, it's going to tell you a little bit about. They've got the 5 key mechanism behind our sustainable business model to successfully protect your assets. So the over-collateralization, okay, it's fundamental. This is what lends funds to the borrowers that meet our strict collateralization requirements. Now you can read more about it on here, okay? They've got the whole policies in there. We've got the real-time auditing. We've got the risk management, which is super important. Okay, they have neutral strategies like collateralization, lending, basic trading, market making. They have insurance, which again, we've gone through 775 million already, and they've got the global licensing. Holding over 40 licenses. If you just click this, it's gonna show you their license and registration. Do your own research, get in and have a look. So what do we have? We have 12 billion assets under management, 4 million users worldwide, 39 supported cryptocurrencies, and 200 plus available jurisdictions. This is a little snapshot of what you get to see. Okay, you can earn interest. You can earn up to 18% annual interest. Find me a bank that has that. There isn't, okay? You can earn that on your crypto, your euro buy, and your pound and dollars. Now, it's got unique daily payouts. You're getting paid every single day. Add and withdraw funds anytime. Click that button and get involved. If you want to borrow cash or stable coins, it's interest starting from, look at this, let me zoom in, 0% APR, 0%. Okay, like we talked about, there's already 775 million in there already. It's a minimum of $50 and a maximum of 2 million. If you've got $2 million to put in here, it's a 0% interest. That's insane to borrow. Automatic approval, no credit checks at all. It's not going to affect your credit. And going through, we've got the independent talking about them, Bloomberg, Forbes, Yahoo, Fox, CoinDesk, everyone. Not to mention you get a card, okay? You actually get a card with them. This is your digital asset. It's just a swipe away. The only card that lets you spend the value of a digital asset without having to sell them. So when you pay, it just automatically changes that into the fiat that you need. It's accepted by 40 million merchants, instant 2% cash back on all purchases, flexible repayment, free virtual cards, payments in local currencies, no monthly annual fees either. So cool. Now I want to read out our mission to you, okay? Antoni Trenchev, if I pronounce that wrong, I apologize. Let me know in the comments, but I think that's how you pronounce it. He's the co-founder and managing partner. So since 2018, Nexo has strived to bring professional financial services to the world of digital assets. The leveraging of the best of the team's years of experience in this, along with the power of blockchain technology, which is what everyone's trying to do, right? But these are really niching in on this. Nexo is empowering thousands of people to harness the value behind their crypto assets and live the future of finance today. Click the About Us and it's going to show you so much more about what we're talking about. Over to their Twitter then quickly, we have @Nexo. They are verified. Give them a follow. They've got 222,000 followers plus. They joined in 2017. Very established. And they get crazy interaction. Give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel. All the links will be down below. They've got a total of just over 4 4,500 tweets. So they're very established. Let them know you're from this channel. I love it when I see our name popping up all over social media. So here we are. I told you I was going to bring you a sexy NFT. It's racingpunks.com. So guys, Racing Punks is the first play and earn gamified project. All right, the first one is giving out 30,000 NFTs for free. That's insane. I cannot wait to get my hands on one of them. Now the Racing Punks Genesis, okay? This features racetracks and locations around the world. Each racetrack has a different entry fee, which means you can win more rewards in different racetracks. This video here, I'm going to click it, I'm going to mute, and you can actually get a feel for how this is going to look. Look at that zooming up. They got the fire coming out of the exhaust, going through hot air balloons, going through futuristic tracks, flying there over the water. Super, super cool. Now I want you to get on here and have a look, okay? All the links will be down below. They're also collecting different kind of variables. So as you can see, they got Bored Apes going on them here on the cars and the paint. It means every NFT can get involved and collab with them. All you got to do is click that get started. You can mint, earn, stake, or play. Either one that you would like to do. Performance upgrades would be given, okay, when it starts going. There's many ways to dominate the racetrack like it says. So get in there and try and get the edge over your opponent. And this is the play to earn part. So where the winning and losing truly matters, okay, it's based on the idea of building a community and connecting the world's biggest NFT projects with the world's most passionate racing gamers to the first real-time blockchain racing game franchise. Basically, in an overview, what they're trying to do is they've got blank canvas cars. Every single big NFT project can come and slap their logos on these cars, which now builds a community. Instead of being, I'm Bored Ape and I'm against CryptoPunks, we're all together in one game. Super, super cool idea, okay? You got to own it to earn it. So you can create passive staking or renting out the NFT. Through the staking and renting, the earners will earn a daily fixed staking reward and a cut of the winning race fees paid out in dollar fuel. That is their token, that's their native token fuel. It's going to be super cool. You can click the LinkedIn for all of the core team at the bottom here and the socials. Please do your own research. This core team is very established in what they do. Please research them. I've clicked every single one and I like what I see. Now guys, what do I think the coolest thing about this project is? I think it's super cool how it's dragging us away from the play to earn games, okay, where it's pretty bad graphics. There's not a lot of interest going into it. They only focus on you've got to play to earn this crypto, which is good if you can really get in there and earn some crypto. And they're moving it on to the play and earn era. They're really establishing that. And now the play, what benefits do we get from that? It's not all about just earning that crypto. They've put a lot of effort into the games because guess what it does? It bridges mainstream gamers to play to earn gamers. So you can all play together. Yes, we want to earn crypto, but we also don't want to be jeopardizing the graphics and the details of the game just so we can get in there and mine some crypto. Guys, just to show you a little bit of the in-game, okay? This is the BAYC, you know, the Bored Ape Yacht Club in-game footage. Look at them go off 2-1. Beep! They're going, they're racing. You can see the prints on them. They're so cool, man. I wish I had one. Up the top, you can see R-Punks. 007 is winning right now. They've hit some sort of super speed. You got the drift buttons, the arrows. This is insane. I cannot wait to get in this game. Okay, I want to see how you get the boost. He's going 250 kilometers there until he got knocked away. You can pick custom tracks. You can pick custom whips, custom paints for your cars. The NFT world is going extremely bullish with the fact that you can make everything your own. Okay, and I love that. So that's a little sneak peek of getting into the game. Super, super cool. Having a little look now at their car. I love the detail going into all this. I love it. So they've got it on a little platform here. They've got it tinted out nice with their BAYC on there. Another one just to show you right now. We've got this cool BAYC on there. The one with the robotic head and the crossed eyes. Look how nice and clean that looks. Now guys, you need to understand that the target market I keep talking about here, okay, the NFT owners, crypto gamers, mainstream gamers can find Racing Punks interesting, okay? They can, NFT owners will do. It will be released as a list of NFT projects eligible to mint as a free NFT racer. Okay, so with that NFT, you can actually stake it, earn it, fuel by staking your NFT, renting it, earn it when you're renting it, which is crazy. So many different ways you can win to earn, which is driving your own car and win 100% of the ticket price. Or again, you can just earn fuel by renting it out and getting the fuel in, which is a massive way. It's probably the way I'm going to try and look and go down. Okay, the crypto gamer would want to get in this because
they can actually just rent NFTs off people. Okay, going in there, rent an NFT off people. They don't actually have to get into it. So if you're just a gamer that gets bored of a game after a couple of minutes or a couple of days, or you complete it too quick, just go and rent your NFT, race your tracks, and move on. Okay, so that's a really cool thing. It's going to bring them in. And traditional gamers, okay, because you can actually go into Marketplace and rent for free. So if you're just a traditional gamer and you're not that big into games, you want to try it out, you can rent a car for free and get involved. That's huge.
Okay, we want best of both worlds, and that's what they're bringing. And they're succeeding so highly in bridging the world's NFT market together, letting all these collaborations get in, like I said. The owner of this, I wanted to keep this hidden until now to see if you followed this video, is actually one of the holders of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Number 5089, look them up. They decided the initiative for this project is from them. Super, super cool. They are what I found the first blockchain game, okay, that has the tech engine to really enable every single person around the world to get involved and build this community with them. The fuel token is what we want to get our hands on, okay? That's what you're going to be earning, and it is, again, on the ERC20 chain. Ethereum is backing this hardcore.
Guys, their link tree is going to be down below. It's got their website, their Twitter, their Instagram, their Discord, and Telegram. I want you to get into all of them, okay? Clicking on their Discord, I can show you right now. Accept that invite, get in, and it's going to show you, okay? So guys, when you get in their Discord, you're going to click the tick, and that will get you verified, and then you get in. It's got a lot here. Look at me scrolling down. All different languages. They've got a support chat. Really, really cool. All right, they've got everything. You just click on the announcements once you're verified, and it will start to show you. Like right now, 1,000 USDT, double XP week in the community give back. They've got loads and loads of things. Get in there, give a shout out, let them know you are from this channel. Now you need to get on their Twitter and give them a big fat follow. Do it. It's at racing_punks. Links will be down below as always, and they've got their famous link tree on there. 34.2 thousand followers is mental, okay, for a project like this. It's incredible. They only joined in March. That is super, super fast, okay? I love this. They get a big engagement. They've got sneak peeks on there. Times Square, this looks like, with all the cars in front. They've got all the BAYC prints on the cars, looking fire. Really, really cool. Let them know you're from this channel and give them a big follow.
Guys, what I want to do is let you in with some insider information. We know on this channel, we know some really cool things, and we want to keep it to the end. I don't want people just fast forwarding and getting the stuff. I want to reward you lot that have lasted till the end of this channel. So you are going to be eligible to get a free NFT racer if you get one of these cars. Now that's huge. You get the racer for free. We've seen this happen before in projects, and they are blown up to the moon. Okay, you can stake, earn fuel, everything just from the NFTs as well, and you can win and earn just by driving your car or renting it out. Super, super cool. One of the biggest attractions of this before we go is, don't even worry that every NFT project is going to be slapping on these cars, right? If you own one, listen, if you own one of these cars, you can put your own NFT on. And if you rent this car out to someone, imagine they're famous and they race it and they win, your NFT is getting promoted for free because you own it. You're actually earning fuel token for that. That's incredible. Now, if you love this video, hit a like button. If you just cannot express how much you love us on this channel, hit the subscribe button, tap that bell button, and I will see you on the next video. Have a very, very blessed day.